Hi guys! Okay, I'm fangirling right now. I'm going to let the man speak for himself. Would you like to please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name.
Oh my god, like oh my god, I just got my makeover done by Oliver, Charlotte Tilbury's senior artist, and I just want to show you how I look. Like, I really like the flawless look it's giving me and the confidence and the chats that we had about makeup and all things makeup. So yeah, I'm in Charlotte Tilbury's beauty boudoir in Covent Garden. Just got my makeup done. Quickly wanted to show you how it looks. So we have first we used the multi-miracle glow to take everything off. There was nothing on my face because my appointment was quite early, 11. I had just put moisturizer on, and because the UV index was low, I did not put a sunscreen on. It was 1. So 1 to 3 is a safe thing. I'm not happy with not putting sunscreen on, but I wanted to come bare face, naked face, to show him my skin concerns and talk to him about it. Then he used, of course, the magic cream on the face and also the magic cream under eye cream for the eyes. We chatted about the Queen, Charlotte Tilbury, and he spoke about how his London Fashion Week experience was. We caught up with his trip to Kerala. He was telling me what all he saw there. And then I think the appointment lasted for about 45 minutes to an hour. Each step he built on, but we both talked about how we love the fact that no matter what makeup you do, the canvas has to be good. So skincare is more important than makeup. And after the miracle creams that he used under eyes and on my face, then he put the magic foundation. Loved it, and I am so happy I finally got to experience the Magic Away concealer. I have read all about it. It's just launched and I loved it. Like, it literally was magic. I took a before and after picture, not the before and after picture. I took the one eye picture with the Magic Away concealer and one eye without it. I'll put it on the side. But dude, she has really created magic, because with other things, like sometimes to cancel out the darkness, we have to put an orange thing, which is good. Of course it works. We did the other eye that way, but I don't want to do that extensive under eye routine every day. So this is for the quick routine, and today we did the Dolce Vita look. I'll put in the clip that I have shot with him of 2 minutes where we are chatting about all things makeup. And what else did we do? Oh yeah, I want to show you the boudoir, so I'm going to give you a quick tour of it. And after this, I told him my concerns that every day I want a nice nude lip, but I haven't found my nude lip shade yet. And I think bold, bright colors look good on me. Like, I'm very comfortable with a raspberry or a bright red on me. I don't mind it. I love it actually. But I still haven't found my perfect nude. And he said, don't worry about it. So we did the Dolce Vita look on my eyes and the Bond Girl on my lips with the lip liner and the lipstick. And I have fallen in love with it. Do I have the money for a new lipstick? No. Am I going to buy the Bond Girl? No. But do I want to? Oh yes, I do. So let's see how the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Boudoir looks. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the Charlotte Tilbury Boudoir. As soon as we come down from there, this is the lower ground floor in the Covent Garden store. This is the wall on the right hand side. I mean, just look at this picture. She's glowing, popping, whatever you want to say. Jennifer Lopez, the Queen. And here we have our Queen. So this is the Beauty Hall of Fame by Charlotte Tilbury. And this is how you're welcomed into her boudoir. Believe you me, it's worth just experiencing the magic here. These are the 10 looks, the famous looks, and this is how it looks. So pretty. Everything is so pretty. So this is how the setup is. First the cleansers, very nicely arranged. This is the eyes, and everything is stocked in here. I absolutely loved my experience on this chair. And one thing that I really loved about the magic foundation is that it still looks like my skin, you know, just better. It's not like I'm wearing a mask. We didn't do a primer, to be honest with you. I genuinely am loving the foundation, and this is one thing why I wanted to buy this foundation. I love how my skin still feels like skin. It's not a mask, wasn't wearing a primer. Actually, I'm not wearing a primer right now. Oliver just put the magic cream and the foundation. The pores aren't clogged, it's not like a mask. I feel beautiful, but also it feels so lightweight on the skin, you know, there's nothing on the skin. Okay, I'm fangirling right now. I'm going to let the man speak for himself. Would you like to please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name's Oliver. I'm a senior lead artist at Charlotte Tilbury in Covent Garden, London.
And you just got off the London Fashion Week,
yeah,
working with the Queen herself. And today I had booked an appointment for myself. Which look did we do?
We did the Dolce Vita.
And what lipstick is this?
Bond Girl lipstick.
Do you think this looks good on me?
It looks amazing on you.
I'm loving it. I have fallen in love with myself all over again. Thank you. I really didn't think that I could rock a nude lip on, and I have not found my nude lip till date. I think I just found it. I had not found my nude lip. Now I did. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, he has to rush. I have to rush. I'm going to ask him 3 quick questions. First one, what do you think about makeup?
I think makeup is an amazing tool to give women the confidence to go out and step out into the world and be their most beautiful selves.
It's totally transformational, isn't it?
Yes.
I love that.
Yeah.
Okay, and one rule about makeup that you would like to tell people.
You really need to prep the skin. It's all about the skin prep. If you've done your skin prep right, all the makeup just falls into place.
Believe me, I follow that rule. And one rule of makeup that you think people should break or feel free to experiment more with, like some people are scared, like I was scared for a nude lip. I rock a red lip all the time. So one rule that you think people should break or have fun with?
I always say to people, don't be afraid of makeup. If you make a mistake or you don't like it, you can take it off and you can try something else.
Wow. Alright. I want to thank you so much for this. And you want to say anything to people?
India's my favorite country.
Oh, he's been to, we chatted all about Charlotte. India is so much fun. And if you're in Covent Garden, or if you're in London, or if you're in the UK, please book an appointment with him. Would you like to say your name again?
Oliver at Charlotte Tilbury.
Alright guys, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.